Hello, everybody. I'm Linda, the old bird with Gotta Be Handmade. Thank you for joining me. This is a pop-up video. And let me tell you where I am. I am at the Booth's Christmas Tree Farm, and I met Frances. She's gonna do a quick interview with me, and you will love what she's gonna share with us. Now let me introduce you to Frances. Let me turn my camera around. Hi, Frances.
Hi.
Thank you for joining me.
Well, thank you for coming and joining us today.
Oh, Frances, when I met you, it was just like talking to an old friend.
Oh, wow. Thank you.
Now let me show you everybody. Look at what she was sharing with me.
This is a wreath, and it's made from the clippings of the Fraser firs. My sister, Angie Bronson, is the one that does these. And she makes it here on this machine that clamps them together on a ring like this. It's a ring like this that clamps them together, and it turns out like this.
Oh my
Is that not
goodness.
Beautiful?
It is absolutely exquisite. Hello, thank you for joining me. Isn't it beautiful?
Yes, this is gorgeous.
Oh, and it's
But
huge.
not only from Fraser firs does she make them. She
Okay.
does mixtures. And so we have a plant. We have a plant here called Cryptomeria. Is that not a beautiful plant?
Yes, it is.
And it's a Cryptomeria plant, and she can mix the Fraser fir and the Cryptomeria together. And would that not be a beautiful plant when it has all of these all the way around it? Mixed in with.
Exquisite. Now these are what?
These
Little
are
tiny like
yes, they are
cones.
cones. Yes, they are. Yes, they are.
Oh my goodness! You see how small they are, everybody.
Yeah, and
now
they're
look.
beautiful.
You
They
see
are
this yellow at the end?
Yes.
Oh,
that what
that's
makes that what
exquisite.
brings out all of the greenery in your wreath.
Yes.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
And it's handmade by my sister, as you can see. This is handmade.
Oh my goodness.
It's handmade.
And it gives you that exquisite smell for the holidays.
Yes.
Now how long will it last? It looks so fresh.
This lasts throughout Christmas. All you do is spray mix. You mix a little bit of oil, virgin oil, preferable, with some water, and you mist it. Probably every 2 or 3 days, you will mist it and keep it out of the sun. As long as you don't have this in the sun or in a heated area, it doesn't dry out that quickly. And it will last you throughout the Christmas, all into the new year. As a matter of fact, mine, I didn't get rid of it until the second day of our new year.
Oh my goodness.
And it was still good. It was still good.
Now, what is the approximate price of one this size?
Okay, one this size would be $20.
Oh
Let me make sure. No, I'm sorry. This is a $25 one.
Oh,
the $20
goodness.
one would be on a smaller ring.
Oh, it's
Something like
beautiful.
this.
I
This
wish
is
you
small.
could feel it.
And there's the difference between them. See?
Oh my goodness. And this huge one is the $20.
Yes.
Oh my goodness.
And it looks huge, but it's on a regular door. It would go on a door like this right here.
Okay.
A door like this. It would fit just perfect.
Yes.
Just perfect.
Oh my goodness.
Yes.
Now, Frances.
Yes, ma'am.
I thank you so much
Thank
for joining
you
me. Now
for
tell
having me.
everybody where you're located, so anybody that's in the area, you'll know exactly where to come.
Okay, we are located 701 North off of Adrian Highway. It's 701 North off Adrian Highway. You could go onto our website, Booth's Christmas Tree Farm. Go on our website, and we have directions from just about anywhere you want to come from.
Okay.
Whichever way you're coming from in South Carolina,
okay,
we have directions to get here.
Oh, Frances, you're such a blessing. Thank you so much for joining me.
Welcome. Thank you.
Now, everybody, please visit the Booth's Christmas Tree website at boothschristmastree.com and see their beautiful things and get directions and come and get a live tree.
Yeah.
Hi, thank you so much for joining me today. This is Linda, the old bird. Because you know, for the best, it's just gotta be handmade. Have a blessed day.